Hi girls, just welcome to the first of the videos we're making to help you use Google Earth. So this one is a very short one, and it's just really going through the menus and the different views that you can have in Google Earth. So as you can see in Google Earth at the moment, we've got the main screen here, which we can zoom in and zoom out of, and you do that. I'm using a mouse, so I'm just rolling the mouse. But you can use the plus and the minus keys that are on your keyboard as well to zoom in and zoom out. And of course over here there's a slider that enables you to zoom in and zoom out, and probably this slider is reasonably easy to use, but I find it easy. I use a mouse, so I find it easy just to wheel the mouse. So that's zooming in and out, and obviously you can use your little hand here to grab and just move the map around. So that's just sort of getting around. Up here is a direction arrow, so that tells you that the view that you're looking at now, if we moved in here, that tells us that north is directly straight up the screen, and you can obviously rotate that around by grabbing that and twisting that around. Yeah. The other thing that you will need to use, and we might just go and have a look at Stuart Home here. To show you this is what's called the tilt, and so tilt is really gives you the kind of the angle at which you're looking at something. So at the moment I've got the tilt set to vertical, so we're basically looking straight down on the earth at the moment, but you can hit up here and tilt that, and you can see that now you're kind of looking more at an angle, an oblique angle, at the terrain on the map. So if you get those way out of whack and you're kind of confused about what to do, you can reset those using the view. You click up here on view, you go to reset, and you go tilt and compass, and basically it sets the tilt to 180 degrees, so you're looking straight down, and the view and the direction to north. So that's a way just to completely reset your tilt and compass to give you a 180 degree view down on the earth, and also to be facing north, have north facing up the map. Just while we're in view, if you don't have this little toolbar across here, then again in view that can be switched on up here, these two here, the toolbar. You can see that you can click that toolbar there on and off, and it's quite useful to have, particularly as you'll be using particularly those first three buttons there in the toolbar. And as well there's this bar over the side which is called the sidebar, which is once again useful because it shows you in particular as you build your map, it will appear, all the things you add to your map will appear over here in this section. So having that sidebar viewable is important. You can just grab that edge there and resize it. So that's pretty much the key kind of things about getting around in Google. Scrolling from side to side, you can use that grabbing hand tool. The zoom in zoom out slider here, the tilt bar up here, and also the north arrow there. And just remember that you can use the view, reset, tilt and compass, reset you back to a vertical view, and also facing north.